for the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick.
Hey guys, your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. As you can see, I'm still recording from my kitchen. I just told you, if you have been following me, I have recently moved and my office is just not done yet. So I just wanted to come through with a really quick video. So if you have been following me, I have been transitioning to natural. My hair anniversary is actually next month, and sadly to say, so I think about 3 weeks ago I went for my third or fourth trim, and ever since then, for the past 2.5, 3 weeks, I've been losing a lot of hair. I'm talking about not your normal shedding. You can't really tell, so this is what my hair looks like now. I just did a protein treatment yesterday and trying to revive my hair. I'm gonna show y'all a few pictures of what my hair has been looking like every single day, and it's literally coming out just by touching it. So I don't know, is it COVID? Is it post-COVID related? Because like my hair was doing fine this whole time. I have done nothing differently as far as using hair care products or putting heat in my hair, applying weaves or nothing like that. And I do a pretty good job taking care of my own hair. So like I said, I recently had COVID back October of this year, and I was September, the end of September. So I was sick October, and still some post-COVID symptoms November, so last month. And it seems like ever since during the recovery period, my hair has just been falling out. So I don't know what it is, and I have no idea. It's disheartening. And so as you can see, it looks like I still got a lot of hair, and I do, but I'm gonna show y'all the video. I'm gonna show y'all the comb and what the tub looks like when I'm literally washing my hair in the shower, and when you touch it, it just comes out. So hopefully your girl don't end up bald. I am gonna go get that checked out. I don't know what else to make of it, but like I said, this didn't start happening until after I started recovering from COVID. During COVID, my hair flourished, it grew. I didn't touch it because I was really, really sick, but your girl made it. Anyway, so yesterday I went and used the keratin treatment. I did a protein treatment, so I started with this new keratin and green tea shampoo. And then I used the second part, which is the actual, I think, protein stuff that you put in your hair. You leave it in and then you rinse it out. And then after that, I used my Design Essentials line, which is the almond and avocado. I used the sulfate-free shampoo. If you can see this, I'll put some pictures here since you can't really see because of the lighting. And then I went in with the conditioner. And what I'm going to do is I'll post the actual image of what my hair looks like when I take this scarf off, because your girl just tried to lay her edges. But yeah, so my hair is not in the best condition, although it looks like it. But I did lose quite a bit. And like I said, this has been happening every single day for the last 2.5, 3 weeks. Like every single day. When you see this comb and this the hair that's left in the tub from when I shampoo and actually just touch it, you wouldn't believe, like, could you imagine every single day? Like, this is not your natural shedding. So, oh yeah, I forgot. So this is Sweet Cookie Wash. And if you are not familiar with Sweet Cookie Wash, it is a all-natural, black-owned, feminine care line. I am brand ambassador for Sweet Cookie Wash. You can click the link down below if you'd like to order and use my discount code STEPM522 to help save you some coins. But I am currently using quite a few items on the Sweet Cookie Wash line, and if you watch my previous videos, I've given reviews on those as well. Absolutely love, love, love Sweet Cookie Wash. Shipping is fast. It's a little expensive, but it's well worth it. So I took it upon myself to try this, and it's the Tingling Cool Mint Sweet Cookie Wash, but it says not for sensitive cookies. So we'll do let you know down below, if your cookie down there is sensitive, do not use this. It says it's a tingling cool mint, And oh my God. So I used the lavender before, love it, no issues with that. And then I used the original. And this is the peppermint, so I thought I'd try this since I like the other two so well. But yeah, no, that was a bad idea. So I got in the shower, one pump, tried to wash my area, and literally it was like on fire. Like not your natural, normal tingling from like the essential oils or the like in the honey pot. This stuff, so let me say, this is not a bad product. What I'm saying is if you are sensitive down there, this is not for you, okay? This is not for you. I spent probably about $20 on this, so I'm stuck with it. I'm not gonna use this again. I tried a second time because I was like, let me just try one more time to see exactly see if I can tolerate it. Maybe it's just gonna burn a little bit and go away. No, absolutely not. No to the peppermint if you are sensitive down there. Now the original and the lavender, thumbs up. The peppermint, if you're sensitive down there, beware. Okay, so yeah, that's it for that. And then on my line, Real Blue Cosmetics, if you are not familiar, we now have foaming hand soaps. These are great gift ideas for friends, family, kids. Get your kids to wash their hands during this COVID season. So we have added the holiday treats edition. So these are themed towards your normal items that you like to have or treats you like to have for the holiday season. This one is crushed peppermint cream. And it also has, as you can see, like the red jojoba beads in it to help moisturize. And it smells amazing. If you're a lover of peppermint candy canes, this is going to be the one for you. This one I love so much because of the color. This is the Candy Caramel Apple. And this one smells amazing too. And no, this will not come off on your hands. It will just foam up, so rinse your hands off and you're good to go. So this is the Candy Caramel Apple. And then we also have, if you are a gingerbread lover, this is the vanilla and ginger with marshmallows hand soap. And this one smells amazing too. And they all have jojoba beads in it. So the vanilla and ginger with marshmallows has the gold jojoba beads in it. I don't know if you can kind of see them. You can't really see them. And they're also, well, you can see them in this. They're all at the bottom right now. But these are some bursting beads to help provide additional moisture when you're using these hand products. And these have a little finer jojoba beads. And these are the little red spots that you see in there, kind of mimic the look of a candy cane. So yeah, so if you are interested in these are now for 8 ounces $4.99, and for the 10 ounces, did I say that right? The 8 ounces are $4.99, the 10 ounces are $5.99. We are offering next day free shipping. Visit the website, realbluecosmetics.com, and use the discount code. I think it's holiday, so it's HLDYTR21, so it's Holiday Treats 21, but it's abbreviated. I'll put that down in this description and also here before I get out of here. So if you'd like to order these, I am not going to restock on these considering we're already in the month of Christmas, and these again are limited edition, holiday themed. So be sure to get yours while you can because they are almost sold out. I may have, right now, I think I only have about 3 or 4 more of the Candy Caramel Apple and maybe 4 more of the vanilla and ginger with marshmallows. The peppermint, I think I might have 2 or 3 remaining. So get yours now. RealBlueCosmetics.com. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. I am on Instagram. I am on LinkedIn. I am on Twitter. I am on Snapchat. I am on Facebook. You could just Google me. RealBlew, Real Blue Cosmetics. Google me. See you in the next video.
For the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick.